Biosphere reserves are learning places for sustainable development. They are sites for testing interdisciplinary approaches to understanding and managing changes and interactions between social and ecological systems, including conflict prevention and management of biodiversity. They are places that provide local solutions to global challenges. Biosphere reserves include terrestrial, marine, and coastal ecosystems. Each site promotes solutions reconciling the conservation of biodiversity with its sustainable use. Biosphere reserves are nominated by national government and remain under the sovereign jurisdiction of the states where they are located. Biosphere reserves are designed under the intergovernmental MAB program by the Director General of UNESCO following the decisions of MAB International Coordinating Council. Their status is internationally recognized. Member states can submit sites to the designation process. In order to assist the stakeholders with the designation process as well as periodic reviews, technical guidelines are being progressively created by the MAB International Coordination Council. What is the World Network of Biosphere Reserves? The WNBR consists of a dynamic and interactive network of sites of excellence. It promotes north-south, south-south, and south-north-south collaborations and represents a unique tool for international cooperation through the exchange of experiences and know-how, capacity building, and the promotion of best practices among biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves include local communities and all interested stakeholders in planning and management. They integrate three main functions: conservation of biodiversity and cultural diversity, economic development, and socio-culturally and environmentally sustainable logistics support, underpinning development through research, monitoring, education, and training. These three functions are pursued through the biosphere reserves. Three main zones: human settlement, research, education, training, tourism, core area, power zone, and transition areas. Core areas: it comprises a strictly prohibited area and protected zone that contribute to the conservation of landscapes, ecosystem species, and genetic variation. Next is the buffer zone. It surrounds or adjoins the core areas and is used for activities compatible with sound ecological practices that can reinforce scientific research, monitoring, training, and education. Next is the transition area. The transition area is where communities foster socio-culturally and economic sustainable economic and human activities.